Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in heterocyclic chemistry. In my previous lectures, I have discussed in detail the nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. Today, I will discuss properties of heterocyclic compounds. In this lecture, I will share with you the stability and aromaticity of heterocyclic compounds. So let's start with the first property, stability of heterocyclic compounds. जैसा कि आप cyclic compounds की जब stability discuss करते हैं, then we have different sizes of the cyclic compounds. 3-membered and 4-membered cyclic rings, they are highly unstable and they are smaller rings. Their instability is because of the ring strain. For example, अगर आपके पास cyclopropane है, cyclobutane है, these two are smaller rings and due to angle strain, they are highly unstable. This strain is Bayer strain, and we when put some heteroatom in this cyclic ring, for example we have oxirane, we have aziridine, or we have thyrane. So these smaller rings, they are highly unstable because of angle strain, and due to their instability, the ring opening reactions of these compounds, they are more feasible. And also an interesting thing is their ring construction is also easy. The ring construction is also easy because when we construct this ring, then we have such type of, this is X, which is a leaving group, and here we have suppose some nucleophilic O group. So electrophilic and nucleophilic centers, they come close to each other. That's why their ring construction is easy. So it means ring construction of 3-member ring is easy, as well as ring opening reactions, they are also feasible. And when we have 4-member ring, like we have oxetane, azitidine, are their sulfur analog, then they are also unstable. But these two rings, they are more stable as compared to 3-membered ring. For example, the eclipsing of hydrogen is decreased by ring puckering. The shape of this molecule or this one is like this. So, and the shape of this azitidine is here we have hydrogen and here we have so these two exist in equilibrium, and when hydrogen is present at axial is less stable as compared to when hydrogens, they are present at equatorial. So it is more stable. It is less stable. So it means these 3 and 4-member rings, they are unstable as compared to 5, and suppose the next we have common rings. We have Pyrrole, suppose we have Furan, or we have 6-membered pyridine, or we have azipine. So these ring systems, they are common ring system and they are more stable as compared to smaller ring, and this is because of smaller ring strain. अगर आप इनके सैचुरेटेड एनालॉग्स लें तो वहां भी इसी तरह का केस होगा. सपोज अगर आपके पास this one. So shape of pyridine is not planar, it is like that. So because of this conformation, 6 member or 5 member, they are more stable as compared to smaller ring. So angle strain is smaller with respect to smaller rings. And when we have higher rings 8, 9 and 10, stability is further decreased. So as a conclusion, smaller rings, 3 and 4 member rings, they are highly unstable, and then 5, 6 and 7 member ring, they are more stable, and then stability is further decreased when we go to higher rings. The second property is aromaticity. So we have carbon-carbon double bond. We have carbon-carbon double bond in case of benzene. So this double bond is different as compared to this double bond. This is alkene double bond, preferably give addition reaction. In case of benzene, which is aromatic in nature, it preferably give substitution reaction. Substitution reaction because to retain its aromatic character. So for example, this is single bond, this is double bond. We know that single bonds, they are longer in bond length as compared to carbon-carbon double bond. But interestingly, because of aromatic character, these double bonds, they are in delocalization, and we can show this like that. And bond length of this double bond and single bond, we don't have two different bond lengths. We have same bond length of these two bonds, and this is because of the delocalization of these pi electrons. So at this point, suppose this is carbon-carbon single bond, but at the next time this double bond is shifted here, it will convert into carbon-carbon double bond, and it will be converted into carbon-carbon single bond. So aromatic compounds, they can be determined by 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It is Huckel rule. So all those systems which are planar, having delocalized system, and if pi electrons are according to Huckel rule, which are 4n plus 2, आप यहाँ n 0, 1, 2, 3 पुट करके ये नंबर निकाल सकते हैं. अब आप यही कॉन्सेप्ट जो बेंजीन की एरोमेटिसिटी जो है वो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. वी नो द एरोमेटिक कैरेक्टर ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड्स. अब आप ये अप्लाई कर दें हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड पे. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी हैव pyridine. So we just replace one CH of the benzene with nitrogen. Okay, so this compound is aromatic in nature, and we have Pyrrole. Pyrrole is also aromatic in nature. So we have here one p orbital, one lone pair is present at this nitrogen. So here we have 1 electrons. So as a whole, Pyrrole, it contains 4 pi electrons, but due to the involvement of lone pair of nitrogen, this compound, it will become aromatic in nature. Here I can show you the model. So this is Pyrrole. Here you can see that these 4 p orbitals, they are parallel somehow to the lone pair of this nitrogen. So that's why this lone pair, it involves in resonance. As a whole, this system, it will become 6 pi electron system. That's why it is aromatic in nature. So in case of 5 member heterocycles like Pyrrole or Furan or Thiophene, अगर मैं जो है वो नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर लिखूं Furan. So this is Furan. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं. So here we have Furan. So the p orbitals of ring carbon atoms, you can see that oxygen, it is present in group number 6. In group number 6, we have two lone pairs. One lone pair is parallel to the ring p orbitals, and another lone pair it is perpendicular. So it means only one lone pair is involved in resonance, and that's why this system furan also become aromatic in nature by the involvement of lone pair of oxygen in pi bonding. Okay, so it means pyrrole, furan and thiophene they are aromatic in nature, but their aromaticity is because of the involvement of lone pair in resonance. So if this is 6 pi electron system, we have total 5 atoms and 6 electrons are present in this system. So that's why these systems, they are known as pi electron excessive system. So when they are pi electron excessive system, they give electrophilic substitution reaction. So next is the case with pyridine. So case of pyridine is somehow different. Here we have one p orbital and then yeah. Lone pair of this nitrogen is not parallel to the p orbitals of ring carbon atoms in case of pyridine. So here we have one double bond, here we have another double bond in case of pyridine. So lone pair of this nitrogen is perpendicular to the p orbitals of ring carbon atoms. That's why it never involves in resonance. For example, I can show you here. This is pyridine, and you can see that suppose these p orbitals, they are towards you. So all they are parallel, they form 3 double bonds, and lone pair is not towards you, it is downward. It means this p orbital, all these p orbitals and this lone pair, they are perpendicular to each other. So that's why lone pair of this nitrogen, it never involves in resonance, and this compound is aromatic in nature without the involvement of lone pair of nitrogen in resonance. So यहाँ आप अगर देखें तो pyridine के केस में lone pair की डायरेक्शन जो है वो ये मैंने आपको शो की, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, so this lone pair is perpendicular. It means this lone pair is available to some electron deficient like acids. So that's why pyridine, it is basic in nature. So here we have 6 pi electron system, and when we draw the resonance structure, pi electrons, they goes to nitrogen. So this pyridine ring, because of electron withdrawing effect of this nitrogen due to its greater electronegativity, this pyridine ring is electron deficient, while pyrrole ring is electron rich. Same is the case with some other systems. अगर आप बात करें, suppose ऑक्साजोल, आप बात करें suppose thiazole, or if you have midazole, all these ring systems, they are aromatic in nature. This oxygen is just like oxygen of furan, अभी मैंने आपको जो है वो दिखाया. This sulfur is just like thiophene sulfur, and this nitrogen is just like pyrrole nitrogen. But this nitrogen and this one, it is just like pyridine nitrogen. So it means this oxygen is electron donating, and by the donation of lone pair of oxygen here, sulfur here, and this nitrogen here, this system, it will become 6 pi electron system. But this nitrogen, this one and this one, they are electron withdrawing. So their lone pair is perpendicular to the p orbitals of ring carbon atoms. So this lone pair never involves in resonance. Lone pair of this nitrogen, it involves in resonance. So as a whole, these three systems, they are again aromatic in nature, but their aromaticity is because of the involvement of lone pair of these three atoms, not these three nitrogens. So 5-membered rings, either we have pyrrole, furan and thiophene, or oxazole, thiazole, or we have imidazole or oxadiazole. Okay, all these are aromatic in nature because of the involvement of lone pair of one heteroatom. If we extend this to pyridinium cation, it is also aromatic in nature. If we have pyrylium cation, it is also aromatic in nature. If we have pyrane, not aromatic. But these two are still aromatic because they have 6 pi electron system. Okay, but if we compare the stability of these two systems, this system is more stable as compared to this one because nitrogen accommodate positive charge with greater intensity as compared to oxygen. और अगर आप इसको जो है वो फ्यूज रिंग सिस्टम पे अप्लाई करें, if we have X may be NH or O or sulfur. So if we have NH, then it is indole. If we have O, it is benzofuran. If we have S, it is benzothiophene. All these systems, they are aromatic. Again, this system, lone pair of this heteroatom, it involves in resonance. As a whole, this system, it becomes 10 pi electron system. So according to Huckel rule, this is aromatic in nature. So indole, benzofuran or benzothiophene, they are aromatic in nature. और अगर आपके पास दो एटम्स हों बेंजोमिडाजोल में, जैसे आपके पास इस तरह का केस है, this is also aromatic in nature because lone pair of this nitrogen involves in resonance. If we have fused ring system like, if benzene is fused with pyridine, then it is also aromatic in nature. Or if benzene ring is fused with pyridine, but nitrogen is here. So these two systems, they are also aromatic in nature. But here lone pair of nitrogens, this one or this one, it is perpendicular to the p orbitals of ring carbon atoms, just like pyridine. So it means these compounds, they are aromatic in nature. Just you apply the Huckel rule here, which is 4 and plus 2. So it means Pyrrole, Furan, Thiophene, or oxazole, or imidazole, or thiazole, all they are aromatic in nature by the involvement of one lone pair of heteroatom. So these are 6 pi electron system. Pyridine is also aromatic in nature. Pyridinium ion or pyrylium ion also aromatic in nature. And these fused ring systems, they are aromatic in nature. Here lone pair is not involved in resonance, and here one of the lone pair is involved in resonance. This is all about stability and aromaticity of heterocyclic compounds. In my upcoming lecture, I will discuss some more properties of heterocyclic compounds. Thank you very much.